Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a potato juice face toner. So first of all you need is one potato. Peel it and grate the potato. So potato juice is best option for treating dark spots and blemishes, and it also fights against pimples and acne. Done grating the potatoes, I am going to try and squeeze out all the water from the potato. From making the face toner, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face, but before you do so, make sure you wash your face. Potato juice help with sunburn, so if you have a sunburn, spray it or rub it over the burn, and it will help soothe the pain of the burn, and it will help heal the sunburn. When you use potato juice regularly, it gives your skin healthy glow and softness. So it brings out the glow of your skin, and it makes your skin very, very soft. Potato juice have a natural bleaching properties that will help lighten your dark spot, your blemishes and your acne, and it will give you a natural looking glowing skin. So for better result, try and do this twice a week and you will see your skin will improve. So guys, thank you for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.